and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over Fish Farm. This is an AVAX miner that was recently released, and we're going to go over the application, the contract audit, and the contract itself. But before we get started, make sure to visit my channel, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one to be first in line for those awesome rewards. Let's get back to the app and take it from the top. Here we have the contract audit and the contract itself, which we'll go over. Top right, we have a MetaMask here where you connect your wallet, hire fishermen to fish for you, and earn 8% daily. And here is the contract balance. There's currently 4,095 AVAX in the contract. Participants, 1,345 investors. Fishers hired, 2,089 times. And here's the daily ROI, 8%, APR, 2,920, dev tax, 3%. Now, I've been releasing a lot of different mining projects, but this one is slightly different. This one has a particular chance where you can earn additional rewards. So we'll go over that in just a minute. If we scroll down, here is the dashboard. This is where you hire fishers. Here is your current AVAX wallet amount, and here is your fishing power. When you hire those fishermen, that fishing power will go up. Once you connect your wallet, you enter your AVAX here and you hire the fishermen. Here to the right, it will show you your rewards. So let's go over this breakdown. If you go to rehire, there's some question marks here and it explains. There's a 65% chance to earn base rewards, which is once you reinvest the available AVAX, there's a 65% chance that whatever you rehire, that's what you get. But there is a 35% chance that you might get an additional 20% rewards on that rehire. So here is a little gamification of probabilities. So this is where it's a little different from all the miners I've been covering. Here is on sell, it's 100% you will receive the claim amount. And here in the bottom, once you connect and you make a deposit, you will have a referral link. They do have a referral system. And if we continue lower, you have the audit, contract, Twitter, and Telegram. I always encourage everyone to go into these socials to get the latest news and updates of these projects before investing. This is where I find most of the information of these projects. So let's take a look at the contract balance. At this moment, there's $315,000 worth of AVAX staked in this project. That's 4,095 AVAX. It was released about a day ago and the momentum is strong. So it gives you some peace of mind here. Let's go to the contract audit and see what they found here. The conclusion: the AVAX Fisher Farm smart contract found no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scan scripts. The code was tested with compatible compilers and simulated manually, reviewed for all commonly known and specific vulnerabilities. So, AVAX Fish Farm smart contract is safe for use in the Avalanche main network. There was one high issue here, medium severity, and it basically states that once you deposit into the app, you lose those tokens. The only way you make that money back is through referrals and that high daily APR. So there is a sunk cost. Independent description of the smart contract functionality. The AVAX Fish Farm smart contract provides the opportunity to invest any amount in AVAX in the contract and get daily profit on investment if the contract balance has enough funds for payment. So this was recently released, so you do have some peace of mind for the longevity of this project. So far, these type of projects have not been rugged, and the longest project under the structure has been running for about 5 months. So that's pretty good with those crazy rewards. All dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal anytime. And here's the launch date. That was a few days ago. The fees are very low. Contract owner's fees. Deposit is 3%. Sell is 3%. That's pretty good. Investment plan. The basic interest rate on the initial date is approximately 5.3%. The daily rate will be changed based on the deposit and withdrawal of the other users. The maximum deposit amount is 500 AVAX, so they do have a limit. Deposits hire fishers. And here's a formula for the miner price formula. Deposit amount divided by deposit amount plus contract balance times market fish. Miners will produce fish and users can sell fish to earn profit. Miners will work forever and users can withdraw profits until the contract has enough balance. And let's read about the market fish. It is an amount that will be defined in the initial of the contract and will be changed by deposit, withdraw, and compound. The initial amount is, I believe this is 108 billion tokens. 20% of each deposit or compound will be added to market fish. The withdrawal amount will be added to market fish. An increase in the market fish will reduce the daily rate and increase sustainability. So these figures are constantly changing. Withdraw, sell fish. And here's a formula for that. Withdrawal amount, AVAX formula, user fish divided by user fish plus market fish times contract balance. And that's how you get those rates. User fish, each miner will produce 1 fish each second. Miners produce fish for a maximum of 12.5 days. Make a note of this. Users should try to withdraw or compound their produced fish. After withdrawal or compound, miners will start working again. Users can withdraw or compound many times without any limit. After 12.5 days, if you don't touch the app, you will no longer earn any additional rewards. So you do need to be active. Compound, rehire fishers. Users can compound their available fish and buy more miners. Miner price will be calculated based on the mentioned formula in the deposits section and real-time numbers of market fish and contract balance. Compound bonus. This is where things are a little different. Users can get a compound bonus with a 35% chance. The bonus is 20%. Users will receive 20% more fishers, miners. There is some bonus incentives. And here's the referral system. The contract pays a 12.5% referral commission over one level. The commission is 12.5% of the referral, deposit, or compound fish. The commission will be paid as fish that users can withdraw or compound it. Users cannot use their wallet as a referral for themselves. So this is pretty standard. And that is Fish Farm, the latest AVAX miner, and they have some reward bonuses here. Pretty cool. That is the breakdown. And I will leave all reference links under the description of this video if you want to get involved. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Ring the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this to be first in line and make those awesome rewards. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.